How can you weave the body of a shirt without weaving the armhole? Okay guys, today I want to say something. I don't know if I should say okay, I'm not just happy. Like, this is a shirt I'm making, and okay, thank God I have my own weaving machine. Now this video is not just for those that do weaving for commercial purposes, like you just have a place to do weaving and people pay you. This is for even individuals. See, this is a shirt. Now because of light, you're supposed to be sewing and weaving, but you know, most times when you are sewing, we won't have light. What I do is I sew. As you can see, I'm done joining. I've coupled this shirt. The only thing remaining in this shirt is just to fix the collar and to hem it, you understand? So this is what I do. Now if what I do is this, I will loosen the armhole. This is the armhole. Okay guys, you see, let me say someone gives you clothes to weave. You see the way it is. This is what you're supposed to do. Now the first thing you're supposed to do is to weave the armhole. How can you leave armhole then you come and weave like this? Look at what you do. You can put this hand inside. This sleeve, you can push the sleeve inside. When you push the sleeve inside, then you start from this side and weave. You weave this way. So you also check so that you will not cut someone's clothes. Okay, as you can see, we are done with the armhole. You see how neat it is. Then you bring out the sleeve again. You now start from here to weave again. So do you see how it is? See how it is. The armhole is properly weaved. The side is properly weaved. Here you see, it gives neat finishing. I don't know why you want to start weaving. You will not weave armhole. You will not start weaving from this top. After weaving here, how will you weave the armhole? So please, even if you are doing for commercial purposes, like you are serving people, you are weaving for people, but it's for your personal use, try and weave the armhole first. Because the other I went to weave clothes, my machine was short. I went to weave clothes, and I was like, weave the armhole first. And she said I will do it. How can you do it when you are done weaving this one? And here is closed. So guys, this is the right way to weave your outfit. You see how it's giving that already made packaging. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Thank you.